When I think about the teachers who influenced me the most, I would start with my college advisor, Jim Shenton, who made history come alive for me in a way I never had seen it before. He was the only professor who made me, after his class, go out and read the readings because I couldn't believe everything he was saying was true. And it's ironic that I used to think what I loved about Shenton was he was a great storyteller, and he made history into a big story. And I used to wonder, yeah, but isn't it more than just a story? And then when I got my first job teaching, I was really looking at as a social scientist and analyzing things and analyzing social structure and infrastructure and all these things. And it took me until 40 years into my career where I realized no, Shenton was right. What audiences want are stories. They want you to take information and not give them the information, but put the information into a storytelling venue. And that's what I've tried to do with my last two books, and very much shaped by Jim Shenton.